So today I want to show you how you can set a specific web page as a default page whenever you first launch your web browser. I will be showing you how to do that on Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. So the first thing you do is you launch the application, in this case Google. Go to the top right corner where this button with the three upward dots is. Select that and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're gonna see there are different steps. Uh, I do have a Google account, so therefore I have my email address, my password saved, payment methods, my home address, and everything else already set. Just because I use this search engine often, it's kind of like my main search engine. It's easy to use. I just like it. So to set a specific web page as a home page, when you first open a search engine, you scroll all the way down, and at the very top, of the very bottom, where it says on startup, you have the option of select what you wanted the search engine to do. To open a fresh web page, meaning it goes to the Google search like this. You can also set this one and it will go to the last page you were using when you were using Google last, or in this case what I want to show you is set up to work with a specific web page. So whenever you launch Google Chrome, it will go to that one page and you can go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page URL. In this case, for this example, I'm going to use a weird website. Not a whole lot of people, well, I don't know if they know about it or not. It's just a website that I use as a test. So I'll do add, and that's it. Now we get us all the changes have been saved and everything else. So we can open a new page in a new browser session, and it should come up with a new default set web page. So we open Google Chrome and it goes straight to cheese.com, and there you go. So it has been set for it. Now if you want to change that, same thing, top right hand button, settings, scroll all the way down. You can find the same button here. You can edit the page or remove it. And let's try a news page. You can use, CNN, Fox, TV News, whatever you feel more comfortable using, or sports as well, ESPN or such. So I'm going to use this one, for example. It's one of the most common used news web page people uses. Alright, so we change it, it's saved, we close, reopen the browser, and it goes to CNN.com. Here you can see what's going on with that. I'm going to change it again. Top right corner, settings, scroll all the way down. More actions button, click on it, edit, and I'm going to change it to a secure page. Maybe not. If I know how to type. should come up to Google. Yep. Now, one thing that I don't know if you notice or not, but the search address on Google that I type is the secure web page. How do you know that? It's because of the S. HTTPS means secure, and you have a lock. Most financial institutions, that's a good thing or a good way to find out if you're on a safe website. Everything that is, financial, legal, they will always have that S at the end of the HTTP, meaning that it's secure. Like, for example, if you go to a bank website, um, you see that lock, you see that S, that means this is a secure website. You can do it also on Facebook. Uh, you have you have two ways to get to Facebook. First is facebook.com. More than likely will take you to a secure page, but there's also the one that doesn't have the S. Oh, my mistake. They fixed that. You usually were able to get to the page not using the S. In this case, now everything is secure on Facebook, which is great. So, anyways, going back to the real video. So that's how you set your default page on your internet browser. Alright, so now that I have that one, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to open Internet Explorer from my computer. I'm gonna, alright, needed to set that up, do that later. So right now I have http msn.com as a default page. So I'm gonna change that again. So the first thing you do is go to settings. In this case, is between the star and the little smiley face on the page is the tools button. You can also hit Control X and we'll come up to it. We're not gonna do that right now. So you select the tools button, which it will take you to settings. Go to internet options, and then right here you can say start with home page. In this case it's an Internet Explorer Microsoft, so it goes to MSN. You can also start from the last session. So at start with home page you have this link which will take you to this page, the MSN page. So how are you gonna correct that, or how do you fix that? Well, not fix it, but how do you set your own page is you delete that link and type in your own. In this case I use again cheese.com. Hit apply. Hit OK. Close the browser and open Internet Explorer again. If I know how to type. And well, again I misspell the word cheese. So I'm gonna fix that right now. which is a good thing. So you can see it's right. Cheese.com. Alright, apply. And now we open Internet Explorer again, and it takes me to cheese.com. The same thing, if you want to go to a different page, let's say for example, if you want to go to um, let's see, Microsoft, but Apple. I think that will be the website. Open Internet Explorer. And there you have it. Apple.com. Again, look at the link. In this case, not a lock, but a little apple. But it's a secure page. So, okay, so this is it. I mean, that's how you set a specific page as a default page on your web browser, whether it's Internet Explorer or Chrome. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please hit like. And I'll see you next time.